Hi there, welcome back to For Wheels Empire. Today, we're tackling a common check engine code, P0137. If your car's throwing this code, it's all about the oxygen sensor circuit low voltage for bank 1, sensor 2. But don't worry, I'll guide you through diagnosing and fixing this issue step by step. What does the code P0137 mean? In short, there's an issue with your vehicle's oxygen sensors. Specifically, the diagnostic trouble code P0137 yields the following message: O2 sensor circuit low voltage bank 1, sensor 2. Here's what that means. Your vehicle has multiple oxygen sensors. Check engine light. The check engine light on the dashboard will be illuminated. Misfiring. The engine may misfire if the spark plugs become fouled. Exhaust leaks. The exhaust may leak and lose power. Poor fuel economy. The vehicle may experience a noticeable loss of fuel efficiency. Failed emissions test. Catalyst failure. Exhaust leak. Faulty oxygen sensor. Damage or corrosion on connector. Short in signal circuit. Air intake system leak. The exhaust system begins at the engine, combustion chambers, and runs along the undercarriage of the vehicle, eventually ending with a visible tailpipe. If you have a leak around the corner, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get a sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Stir the paste well to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, do not start the engine, because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 2 to 24 hours. Depending on the external temperature, the hotter it is, the quicker it will cure. That means you can use something like a hair dryer to heat it up and make it cure faster. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on it. Like this one, the seam will often rot and leak. First, get a sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put it in the water for about 30 to 40 seconds to start the activation process. Then remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times. Then squeeze it to make the resin go off through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. This oxygen sensor is located right after the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1 sensor. Number 2 is usually the downstream oxygen sensor, behind the converter. Visually, check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. After replacing or fixing the sensor, clear the code with your OBD scanner. Start the engine and check if the code returns. If it doesn't, congratulations, you've successfully fixed P0137. And that's it. You've successfully diagnosed and fixed the P0137 trouble code. Remember, regular maintenance can prevent sensor issues in the future. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY car repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.